In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Webflow to Klaviyo with ease. Integrating these two powerful platforms can enhance your marketing strategies by allowing seamless data flow and automation, especially for your online business. So let's dive in and get started. First, we need to ensure you are set up on Zapier. If you're new to the platform, go to Zapier's website and create an account. It's a simple sign up process, and if you already have an account, just log in using your credentials. Having an account on Zapier is essential because it acts as an intermediary, allowing Webflow and Klaviyo to communicate. Once you're logged in, it's time to create what is known as a Zap. On the dashboard, click on Create Zap. This is where we tell Zapier how to handle the information from Webflow and what actions to take in Klaviyo. For our trigger app, select Webflow. This means Zapier will start its sequence when something specific happens in Webflow. For the specific event, choose New Form Submission. This setup tells Zapier to initiate our workflow whenever a form is submitted in Webflow. Now it's necessary to connect your Webflow account. You'll be prompted to log in and grant access, which allows Zapier to detect submitted forms in Webflow. Next, we shift our focus to Klaviyo. Back in Zapier, it's time to select Klaviyo as the action app. The action will be what happens in Klaviyo after the initial trigger in Webflow. Here you can choose Add Subscriber or another action that suits your needs best, like updating a contact or adding them to a specific list. This is crucial because it determines how the new data will be used in Klaviyo. Now you'll need to map fields from Webflow to Klaviyo. This process involves matching the information from Webflow forms to the corresponding fields in Klaviyo, ensuring that all essential data is conveyed accurately. Take some time here to ensure everything is mapped correctly so you don't miss any important information. Before wrapping up, it's vital to test your setup. Zapier makes this easy, enabling you to run a test to ensure everything functions smoothly and your data flows as intended from Webflow to Klaviyo. Testing is a step you don't want to skip as it confirms that the integration works flawlessly. Finally, once tested, don't forget to turn your Zap on. Only after turning it on will Zapier begin processing real data as per your defined triggers and actions. As a final tip, I recommend double checking both Webflow's and Klaviyo's permissions, along with the necessary API keys to ensure smooth operation. Additionally, you can test extra form submissions to verify they sync correctly to Klaviyo. Using custom fields in Klaviyo allows for more detailed data storage, which can be highly advantageous for targeted marketing efforts. And there you have it, you've successfully connected Webflow to Klaviyo, unlocking powerful integration capabilities for your marketing endeavors. Thank you for watching, and happy integrating.